Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image using Preview on Mac. This is a really quick and simple method, and you don't need to install any extra software. First, go ahead and open the image you want to crop. By default, if you just double-click the picture, it should open in Preview automatically. Once the image is open in Preview, here, click and drag your cursor to select the portion of the picture you want to keep. When you have the area highlighted, go up to the toolbar and choose the crop option. Just like that, the unwanted parts of the image will be removed, and only the section you selected will remain. Now to save your cropped image, go back to the top menu bar, click on File, and then select Save. This will replace your original image with the cropped version. But if you'd like to keep the original untouched, you can instead use File Save As and save the cropped picture as a new copy. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials like this.